Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with FedEx, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by researching FedEx as a company. Look into its history, services, and market position. Examine recent financial performance through annual and quarterly reports. Assess FedEx's revenue sources and profit margins. Next, determine your investment goals. Decide if you're looking for short-term gains or long-term growth. Understand your risk tolerance before proceeding. Once equipped with this information, consider the different ways to invest. Explore buying FedEx stock directly through a brokerage account. Alternatively, consider investing in exchange-traded funds or mutual funds that include FedEx. Open a brokerage account if you haven't already. Research multiple brokers to find one that suits your needs. Complete the necessary documentation to create your account. Deposit funds into your brokerage account. Next, analyze the stock price of FedEx. Look at historical price trends and market fluctuations. Evaluate analyst ratings and recommendations. Set a target price for your entry point into the market. When you feel confident, place your buy order for FedEx shares. Choose the order type: market order for immediate purchase or limit order for a specified price. After buying shares, monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated on FedEx news and industry trends. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes. Reassess your investment strategy periodically. Adjust your portfolio based on market conditions and company performance. Lastly, plan for the future. Set timelines and exit strategies to maximize your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.